So we're going to Wan Chi, Hong Kong. We're going to take that train to the city. I like that. Hong Kong Express. Is that what it called? Hong Kong Express? Airport Express. Airport Express. Yeah, that's what we need to take. Yeah.
Wow. So,
Hey, sir. You know where we could take to Hong Kong Station?
Hong Kong Station.
Yeah.
You want you find railway over there? Yeah.
Okay, straight.
Yeah, that's the entrance.
Okay, thank you very
Okay.
much.
Thank you.
All right. Okay.
Bus.
It says we'll get the 6:22.
1 hour.
Yeah, we'll do light dinner. Light dinner.
I think I was a Peking duck.
Nah, I want some. Yeah, I want some Peking duck. I wonder how's the Chinese food out here gonna taste. You know what I mean?
That real shit, not that fake shit we have in New York with 4 chicken wings and fried rice.
Yeah.
Both fried rice.
Asia World Expo Station. Nice view, man.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, how do I buy? How do I buy ticket?
Ticket.
Yeah. Okay.
No.
Yeah.
Close.
Oh.
How do you buy a ticket? Oh,
Okay. Thank you.
Huh?
The smart card?
No.
No, go ahead, this one.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Welcome to Hong Kong.
Thank you,
No,
man.
thank you.
Appreciate it. All right. So
First destination. Hong Kong. Alright. One way,
all
right?
That's right. All right.
2:30. That's it.
What's this? All right.
Alright. One set, yeah, 1 point.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Question: is this good enough to go to one chai?
One chai.
Let me see. Okay. It is going to all the way to the central,
Downtown.
downtown. Central is the CBD. Okay, Hong Kong Island Central.
Okay. Oh, Central Station.
Central Station.
Okay.
And then you will have to change another lane. Okay, about another 1, 2, 3, about another 3 stop.
Okay.
However, looking at this, it should only be getting to Hong Kong the Central Station.
Okay.
You might have to ask other people, the service, whatever. They have customer service over there. Because
Okay.
Central is the CBD, Central is the financial center.
Yeah.
So they will not close counter.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
You'll be all right.
Thank you very much.
That means the terminal. You
Okay.
go to the terminal, final station, get out, and then take another 3 stops.
Okay.
Go.
And they will accept this or no?
I'm gonna get a new ticket.
Oh, new ticket.
You have to exit, or you have to buy another one.
Okay. Okay.
Check with them, okay?
Thank you very much.
You'll be all right.
All right.
Take care, man.
All right. Thank you. So, okay, Hong Kong Station.
So this is the one that we take, right?
Yeah. So, yeah, all the way to Central. Start from there. So you could pretty much access this. Yeah.
These modern trains. Mad modern. Kids mad nice and modern, son. Yo, in New York we said these bullshit ass trains. Shit got all dirty, graffiti on it.
No homeless
Yeah.
smell. It's carpeted. Boy,
Yo, high
Yo.
speed. Yeah, this is nice, bro.
this train is carpeted. Worst case scenario would just take Uber back
Yeah,
because we all out of Hong Kong dollars.
already. Damn,
One
$40.
side.
Basically, what we
But it's a bit expensive though. This is like the LIRR of
Yeah.
Hong Kong.
Yeah. So basically spent $40 on the train, one way. So yeah, that is expensive. But this is just Uber. This is $40 same shit.
No, you're right.
Should have.
Cause it was a language barrier.
Yeah.
He didn't know how to like articulate.
himself. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Cause I'm thinking it's enough. He said it's good enough for
One
for
way.
both. No, he
Well,
said
yeah,
good enough for both.
Nah, one way. So yeah.
What's your first impression of Hong Kong thus far,
So far,
man?
nice, modern, clean. People's nice. Everybody been nice so far.
Yeah, that's true. You know.
Yo, recording right now?
Yeah.
Okay, we done.
Let me see if that call will work. Let's see if this call will work. Oh, it works. Yeah, boy.
Think about another ticket.
Oh, it's right there. So good. Single journey.
这个是什么？这个怎么买不了啊？
How you use this?
Oh, wait. Oops, no, back.
We trying to go to one shine?
Channel,
Bet.
right? That's it, right?
Yeah. Shine
Two.
one.
Adult.
How you go adult?
Well, yeah. So I guess you got to do 1 and 1.
I bet. Multiple. 2.
$20. You're taking money, why?
好嘛，哦，
請小心保管閣下嘅財物，應小心保管。
这个我只能 Hello， 你
Yeah.
们那个
Please look after your belongings.
天气
Oh, change? No.
No.
Okay.
Oh, 11. Damn. Gonna have to break that up.
But he bugging out.
Yo, you get lost in here, man. Look at this. Look how everybody. Alright, we gotta go to the island line.
I don't know. Yo, we in Hong Kong, boy.
It's a lot of people over there. Like
I'm in New
the
York.
Times Square. Nah, I think Hong Kong got more people, man.
By
To
far,
be
right?
honest with you, man.
China like
I ain't
two
never
years
seen it like this, bro. Don't lose that one now. Yo, it's a lot of people right now. I think it's rush hour right now.
Smoking is not allowed in stations or trains.
That's it.
This one.
We're gonna have to wait for the next one.
The next one. Hey, it's just crowded, but it's worse in New York.